At St. Louis Community College's School of Education, Public Service, and Social Sciences, students aren't just learning, they're leading. Our graduates are tackling real-world challenges and making a meaningful difference right here in the St. Louis community. Our Associate of Arts in Teaching Transfer program helps you complete the first 2 years toward a bachelor's degree, saving thousands of dollars. After graduation, students transfer to four-year universities to fulfill their dreams of teaching the next generation. For those passionate about early childhood, St. Louis Community College's Child and Family Development Program offers hands-on experience at 2 child development laboratory centers where learning goes far beyond textbooks. And when it comes to mental health and wellness, our graduates are on the front lines in programs like behavioral health support, human services, addiction study, and community health worker, making an impact where it's needed most. Planning to transfer to a four-year university? St. Louis Community College's Associate in Arts degree with an emphasis in psychology or social work sets students up for success, covering core requirements and paving the way to transfer to a four-year university. Are you not sure what you want to do? That's okay. Take a career assessment and learn more about job activities, skills and education, and salary information. Students choose St. Louis Community College for high quality and affordable education, diverse programs, and strong support services that help students succeed and thrive academically and personally. At St. Louis Community College, it's more than education, it's transformation. Your journey starts here at St. Louis Community College.